My name is Feliciano Aguilar, and I'm a field construction supervisor with Valley Water. The stream maintenance program is a flood protection program throughout the county that we run every year from June 15th to October 15th. We have 294 miles of channels that we maintain. We get the equipment in the channel, dig out the sediment that migrated downstream and filled in the creeks. Our goal is to get the creeks down to max capacity for the next season. Another part of the program is levee repairs. We'll come in there, rebuild the levee to maintain maximum flow capacity. We need to have as much space available in the channels to flow it all out to the bay. The 2023 storms were some of the highest flows I've seen in my 18 years of working here. We were fortunate enough not to experience any flooding, and that's all due to the work that we do during the summer. It's extremely gratifying to be able to provide a benefit and a service to the community.
Valley Water, clean water, healthy environment, and flood protection for Santa Clara County.